have a branch that kind of snapped the other day, and me being a busybody, I want to cut them down. So let's see how this process goes. This will be my first. I got some tools from my dad that should be able to work. He's working like 15 nights straight, so he's not available to do it. And me and my mom, we're impatient. We want stuff done now, like most women. So, you know, one thing about wanting to do something now, do it yourself. See if I can figure out this too. Hold on. Let me put on my protective wear. Let's see. Really? I wonder if this one too thick. Nope. I don't know. This is kind of satisfying. Huh? Oh. Come on, big fella. I'm gonna get you. You ain't gonna defeat me. 187 trips. Oh, nope. There's Mom with the assist. Twin always show up. Didn't realize that my mic was off, so I'm doing a little voiceover at this point. That's the little tool I'm using. It actually came from Temu. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay. Here's the tricky part. I gotta go up this ladder. And I don't do heights or ladders. So, yeah. So, don't need to go with that. Okay. Somebody better come spot me. Okay. These little pieces off. So I gotta trim some of these branches out the way so I can get to the main daddy. So trying to figure it out as I go. Lord, I didn't know I was throwing branches on my mama. Okay. This really was satisfying. And my arm was getting tired. It's like trying to do your hair and you got to keep resting your arm every 30 seconds. Like, whoo, child. That was exhausting. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to cut this branch without it falling on either one of us. Here it goes. Well, I got to step up one more. I did not want to go up that one more step. That's like another foot. Lord, I'm so sorry, Mama. Okay, I finally can get down from here because, whew. But now, yeah, I'm not sure what to do with these branches. My dad ended up getting up there, cutting where it's cracked at the top. And then we kind of pulled it until it finally snapped off. But we still had to figure out what to do because it was too big for us to cut in pieces and get down to the road. So I end up calling my uncle Mickey Mouse. I call him Mickey Mouse because of his willow peak. But I had to call him with his electric saw so he can get the bigger branches down. But we got it done. A little bit of debris that I guess it's hot now. So once it cool off, I'll come rake up the rest. But it's done.